There he is. What's up, boss? What's going on, guys? PhantomSixTwo here. So just wanted to do a little shop update. I just got moved over here to the new garage. And now all the fun begins. Quit my full-time job so that I could pursue things that made me happy. You know, I think in life too many times we do things for money and it's just not enough. So I quit my job 10 years away from retirement. Took a completely different route of travel, and I'm here to follow passion. So follow me. So we've got a lot of work to do. Been behind the 8-ball. Some carbon fiber badges going on. This thing has been out of service for about, I don't know, 2 years. Needs inspected, the exhaust rebuilt. We've got a wide body kit for it. In the middle of an axle replacement. So hopefully you guys will see that soon. Also haven't ridden the motorcycles at all in about 2 years. So we'll be working on them as well. Hey, come on, monster. Come on. So I've got a 2019 Scat pack. Had a kit of nitrous on it. Just a 100 shot. Modified a Hellcat K&N intake for it. Larger throttle body. MSD coil packs. And what is that? Nice little air stuff in there. Let's get a nice little cold start on this. Let's see what we got. It's been a minute. Letting that oil get moved around a bit. Oh. Yes. I cannot wait to get this back on the road. Oh. So hopefully this year I'll start drag racing. I want to look at anything. So I don't know what all's out there, you know, other than drag racing. So if you guys know, if you think there might be something I'd be interested in, you know, hit me up. I just want to go fast. Yes. Okay.